Hello and welcome to Service Desk Academy. Thank you for clicking this video's link. Here is a quick introduction to the PRINCE2 methodology of project management. My name is Murali. My experience helps me teach project management, program management, and service management. I am PRINCE2 certified, that is project in controlled environments. I've got other certifications and experience as you can see here. Service Desk Academy focuses on project management, namely PMP, PRINCE2, Six Sigma, Agile frameworks like Scrum and SAFe, IT service management, information security management, TOGAF, and emerging areas like DevOps and blockchain. Here is our agenda for the next 20 minutes. What is PRINCE2? Why is it the right time to get PRINCE2 certified? The two examination or certification levels, the training duration and the main study reference, the various modes of training suited to your needs. You will also learn a couple of things about PRINCE2 and immediately test your learning with a sample question. PRINCE2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments, with its origins in the 1980s and officially released in the mid-90s. It is a leading methodology for project management, well-structured and flexible at the same time. Though it was developed as a UK government standard for IT projects, it became a leading methodology for project management across industries globally. Since 2013, PRINCE2 is owned by Axelos Limited, a joint venture between the UK government's Cabinet Office and Capita plc. PRINCE2 may be applied to any project irrespective of scale, size, and other conditions. It is a time-tested best practice for project management with focus on project governance. As PRINCE2 is globally recognized, certified individuals stand out from the crowd, demonstrating their familiarity with this method and their ability to apply it in real-world projects. Though traditionally it has been the preferred method in the UK, Europe, Australia, and some of Asia, it is fully recognized in all other geographies. As per a report published by its owner Axelos in June 2019, certifications are highly valued by organizational decision makers such as hiring managers. And the demand for certifications in project management and IT service management will be high in the coming years. Non-certification based courses are much less recognized by such decision makers. There are two certification levels. The foundation level tests your understanding of PRINCE2. The practitioner level tests your application and tailoring of PRINCE2. Foundation is a prerequisite for the practitioner level. Both exams are multiple choice questions based. Practitioner exam is based on a given project scenario. The foundation exam may be written immediately after the training, whereas the practitioner exam, it is recommended to write it after further self-study. The foundation exam has 60 multiple choice questions to be answered in 60 minutes or 1 hour, with a passing score of 33. The practitioner exam has 68 questions to be answered in 2.5 hours, with a pass score of 38. And the practitioner exam is based on a case study or scenario. Therefore, the practitioner exam requires more preparation. Training for each of the certification levels is covered in 2 days. While the foundation level covers concepts with examples and practice questions, the practitioner level goes into more detail, including a case study and exam tips to facilitate exam success. The PRINCE2 Guidance was last updated and published by Axelos in mid-2017. So that will be used as the main reference for the training curriculum. Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2 2017 edition. For your convenience, Service Desk Academy offers various modes of training. We provide you support if you need clarifications during or after the training. Examples are used to clarify concepts along with a case study taking you through the PRINCE2 process model. At Service Desk Academy, we sincerely want to support your career growth and in learning needs. Now, how about spending a few minutes to understand a couple of concepts from PRINCE2? Call this live learning. The subject will be project change management, which is covered under the change theme in PRINCE2. What is a theme in PRINCE2? It is an area or aspect of project management. For example, planning, risk management, quality management, project monitoring and control, business case management, project organization, change management, etc. In PRINCE2, these areas have been given specific theme names like business case theme, organization theme, quality theme, plans theme, risk theme, change theme, and progress themes. PRINCE2 defines an issue as anything in the project which was not planned for and therefore requires some corrective or preventive actions to be taken. There are three types of issues in PRINCE2, as you see here. Request for change, which means this is a request for changing an agreed plan or a baseline. The next one is off specification. This means not able to deliver as per the specification of a product, either with extra feature or with lesser features. Both are called off specifications. The last type is problem or concern, which could be anything other than a request for change or an off specification. Every theme or area of project management in PRINCE2 has some minimum requirements to be complied with to enable project success. You see here some of them for the change theme in particular. For example, a change control approach has to be defined. An issue register has to be created and maintained, and there are a few more things as well. Here is an example of an issue register. Here you can see example of all the three types of issues. There may be, of course, more or less number of issues in this register in a given project. Issue number 1, request for change. A good example would be to add a feature to the front panel of a device. Status is showing as approved, so this request for change has been approved. Another example is that of an off specification. There is a light sensor whose shape will be square and not round as specified. In this case, the concession has been granted, which means it is okay to go ahead with this off specification. There could be other situations here, for example, rejected. So this is not allowed. Another example of an issue is a problem or a concern. For example, supply of knobs from a vendor has been delayed. Of course, this register should have other columns like date, ownerships, priority, resolution cost, target closure date, actual closure date, and so on. Wouldn't it be exciting to check your PRINCE2 learning right away? Let's go through this foundation level multiple choice question. One of the functional managers delivers a completed work package to the project manager. The project manager finds that there are some extra features in which will delight the customer. Which type of issues should be documented in the issue register? If you remember, there are three types of issues. So let's see the options below. An issue of type problem or concern, as the project manager should be concerned about it, though the customer may be okay with this. Here, we need to check if it is a request for change or an off specification before categorizing it as a problem or concern. To me, this does not appear to be a problem or concern, meaning anything other than a request for change or an off specification which needs to be resolved or escalated. So let me move on. The second option is an issue of type off specification, as extra features have been provided. The definition of an off specification is a product delivered or likely to be delivered not matching its agreed definition or features. So this seems to be the correct answer to me because some extra features have been delivered which are not part of the agreement. Option C, or third one, ignore it, as this is not an issue. We cannot ignore it because it is an issue as per PRINCE2 terminology, because it's not a problem or concern. The last option is a request for change, as there has been a change to a resulting product. A request for change is not a change delivered in a product or an output, but a change requested to an agreed plan or an approved plan, which is usually known as a baseline. For example, a product definition or a project plan. Such approved plans are also known as baseline, as I just mentioned it. So in this case, as we saw, the best answer would be the second one, an issue of type of specification, and not problem or concern, or the last category. And as you see it here, the answer is indeed an off specification and not a problem or concern or a request for change or anything else. So congratulations, you have now learned something about Prince2. Hope you enjoyed it. In the training, you will learn more about the change theme and other areas of project management. What is the next step for you? As per your convenience, you can either email Service Desk Academy, phone us, or post a message at our website. We hope you like this introduction and it connects with your aspirations. A big thank you from Service Desk Academy for watching this, and we wish you success. We will be very happy and excited to see you in our training soon. Thank you very much.